middle, index, walking 0G, middle, index. So, assuming you already know how to 0G, let's take for example just 2 fingers. I'm going to start off middle finger 0G, alright? Get it going. Now if you see, I do it in an elliptical motion, where if you're looking at it from the bottom, that's how it kind of looks. Now my little haiku moment. When I'm on the pull, right? Push, pull, push, pull. They're straddled outwards, right? So as I'm pulling, it's the perfect moment to put your second finger in there. And you're basically just sliding the other one out, keeping it going. Same thing as if you start with your ring finger. You got the chap going. It's going. As you start that pull stroke, boom. Going, boom. Going. So it's bam, bam, bam. It's like you're pulling the trigger. Bam. That's when you change it. Feel free to say bam every time you do it too, because it sounds awesome. Anyway, I hope this helps somebody, because I don't know what the fuck I'm doing.